First remove the drip tray. Then remove the lid. Press the bowl from bottom as shown in video. Carefully take bowl outward. Remove the spiral by spinning outward. Remove the bowl gasket. Use cloth to clean the evaporator gray. Clean the lubricant on front seal. Use detergent to clean the bowl with water. Carefully wash all the marks of slush on bowl. Remove the pin of plunger and wash the tab pin and tab spring. Now fix the bowl bushing into bowl. Now lubricate the bowl gasket and fix it as shown in the video. Fix it carefully using fingers as shown in video. Now lubricate the front seal. Now lubricate the spiral gasket and fix it on the front seal. Now fix the spiral back. Now lubricate the bowl as shown in video and fix back on evaporator gray. Now lubricate the tab pin and also the slush drain tab. Fix the tab pin tab spring and plunger as shown in video. Clean the radiator as shown in the video. Thanks for watching the video.